Serviced here, potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. Carfax one owner, clean, only 9,511 miles. Fuji white exterior and ebony/ebony interior, SE trim. Fuel efficient 25 mpg highway/20 mpg city. Leather, 4-wheel drive, smart device integration, aluminum wheels, turbocharged engine. Discover the Luther Advantage. The Luther Advantage is a complete and comprehensive package of benefits designed to make buying and driving a vehicle from the Luther dealerships a pleasant and convenient experience. From the peace of mind that comes with a 5-day 500-mile return or exchange policy, 30-day 1,500 miles full warranty and 60-day 2,500 miles limited powertrain warranty and free Carfax reports and clean title guarantee on pre-owned vehicles, as well as providing Luther customers with full range of valuable discounts at participating holiday station stores including 10 cents off a gallon, $6 for the works car wash among other advantages and guarantees. As much as we like satisfying customers, we like keeping them even more. Buy with confidence. Experts conclude. KBB.com's review says we tested the Discovery Sport on ice-covered Icelandic roads during the dead of winter and never once got stuck or stranded. Full credit goes not to the driver, however, but to Land Rover's terrain response system. Check whether a vehicle is subject to open recalls for safety issues at saferegard.gov.